Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today's wig review is brought to you by Isis Collection. The name of this unit is Kelly in the style RCP758, and I have it in the color FT1B99J. This is a lace front wig with hand-tied lace, and it's easily 22 to 24 inches. As far as your cap construction, it's the standard cap with adjustable straps. It has 3 combs, which is 2 in the front and 1 at the nape area. It has a deep hand-tied natural part. All I did was put some finishing powder in that part because I didn't have to do any any tweezing or plucking to the parting space, because it was absolutely phenomenal. They did a really great job with that, and I love the texture of this hair. It kind of reminds me of a fresh blowout. This hair is super soft, you guys. It's really soft. I haven't experienced any shedding or any tangling, nothing like that thus far. And I'm in love with this color, this beautiful dark burgundy color in the front, as far as right around the face area. In the back, as you can see, you have the 1B. It's just beautiful. I mean, it really just gave me Jessica Rabbit vibes, y'all. It really did. It's some sexy hair, and I picked this unit up from glamourtress.com for $9.99. I will put some links in the description box below where you can pick up this unit as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, as well as turn on your notification bells. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you on the next